Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Okay, let's talk about critical infrastructure. It's the backbone of our lives, but it's under constant threat. You see, a lot of this stuff is old. It was built for performance, not for modern cybersecurity.
Get this, a recent EPA inspection found a shocking 70% of water utilities are failing security standards.
And we're not talking complex hacks here, just simple security gaps that leave our services wide open.
So, what's the solution? Well, we have to find these weak spots before the bad guys do.
And that's where vulnerability scanning comes in. It's basically an automated checkup for security holes.
Yeah, think of it like a digital inspector, searching for cracks before the whole thing comes down.
The key takeaway? You've got to find your own weak spots before somebody else does for you.
Right, it's about preventing the fire instead of just putting it out after the damage is done.
So, how does this actually work? Well, it's a pretty simple, repeatable cycle. Let's break it down.
First, you identify everything on your network. Then you scan it, prioritize the biggest risks, and fix them.
And listen, this isn't a one-and-done thing. It's a continuous cycle to stay ahead of the game.
Because finding your weaknesses first, that's how you build a really strong, resilient defense.
And this isn't just for big companies. It's absolutely essential for everyone, big or small. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.